Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Welcome to my channel Mama Studio. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'll tell you how you can find your niche in just 4 simple steps. So let's get started. Picking your niche is the first step to building a successful business online also. Number 1. Find your passion. Write down a list of topics you like and feel knowledgeable about. Number 2. Narrow your options. Pick or select the topics where you feel you're able to solve problems or your expertise on. Number 3. Research your competitors. Research the industry leaders or creators in your niche and see what's working for them. Search your niche and check what creators are creating and what audience likes it. Number 4. Build your own content. Take inspiration from others and build your content in your own way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you will like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.